guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch your YouTube channel for new comments and then add them to Google Sheets. So yeah, I ran this automation once, and what we can see in the Google Sheets is that we just got the video ID, we got the author's display name, so who commented on our channel, and also some other information like the text and also URL to the video. So how did we build this one? First of all, we need the watch new comments module in make.com, and where we just connect our YouTube account. Then we want to watch comments in channel. You also could choose video, but in this case I might just use channel. You need to enter your channel ID. Yeah, you can find it if you're logged in your Google account. This is why I just put here MNXXX for now, for the purpose of this video. And you also could choose a moderation status, so in my case it's just published ones, and the limit, so how many of those comments you want to receive. You can also, if you really want to use this automation and not like I'm doing it right now just to show you guys, put the limit higher, because this is the limit of the amount of comments it will give you back is limited by this number. So at the moment, even if there are 100 new comments, it will only give me one because I set the limit to 1. Yeah, and then we add the Google Sheets as a row module, where it just adds a row to Google Sheets. And yeah, if we click on it, we can see just make sure your Google Sheets account is connected. Then choose what spreadsheet you want to use. Choose the sheet name. If you have headers, so my tables most of the time have headers, choose yes, and then you also can get the data. So video ID, author display name, text display name, publish ad, and the comment ID. For the link, so in the data you get from YouTube does not include the link of the video, but you can build it by just using this formula. So you have the usual YouTube watch URL, and then you add the video ID and the comment ID, and in the end you then have a link to the video. And that's it. It's a simple automation which helps you in not losing an overview over all the comments you get on YouTube. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much. Bye.